If only there was a reverse mortgage out there that could give me some cash, pay off a HELOC, pay off some credit card bills, but not touch my low rate first mortgage. If only there was. Well, you're in luck if you're wondering that, because there is a reverse mortgage these days. It's called a second reverse mortgage. Yes, very creative in the titling. But what it does is it will allow you to keep your low rate first mortgage and just give you cash to, whether it's pay off a HELOC, pay off credit cards, get some cash for home improvements, but it'll give you that money. Same thing, it's a reverse mortgage, no monthly payments, but it's going to leave your low rate first mortgage alone. So we're gonna go deep into that. This video won't be too long, but just in 1 second we'll go into it. But I just want to introduce myself and give you an idea of who I am if you haven't seen me before. My name is Jason Eichmiller, and since 2008, I've helped a little bit over 460 seniors learn about and get reverse mortgages. So I'm licensed all across the country. Well, not in every state, but in a good number of states. And here's the deal. If you're looking for specific information on how a reverse mortgage can work for you, you can do one of two things. Number one, subscribe to this channel. We have over 130 videos up right now, so you may have a video that kind of relates to your situation. The other thing, if you want to cut through all that and just reach out and see, hey, does this reverse mortgage work for me? And if so, how can I use it? You can contact me. So the quickest way is to pick up the phone, and you can just call 888-309-9705. Again, 888-309-9705. You can always email me at jason@keyhomelending.com, or if you want to schedule an appointment or see what other seniors kind of think about how reverse mortgages have worked for them and how our interaction was. I've got a bunch of interviews and letters from folks that I've helped on my website, www.reversequotes.com. All right, enough about me and how to reach me. Let's talk about you, and let's talk about the reverse second mortgage, or the second reverse mortgage. Whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. So why would you even want to do that? Well, let's say that you have a very low interest rate on your first mortgage. Let's say it's in the 2 to 3.5% range. And you're not in a circumstance where you're having trouble making the payment. You're doing okay paying it. You've got enough money in your assets. You have enough money in your investments. So you really want to leave that first mortgage alone. You don't want to touch it. Now, traditionally, regular reverse mortgages will always require you to pay off everything on title. That means anything owed on the house, whether it's a first mortgage or a second mortgage, it has to be paid off. But now we have this new second reverse mortgage, which will again allow you to leave your low rate, low payment first mortgage alone. So you want to leave it alone, but then let's say you've got credit cards, and geez, if you're in this boat, your credit cards might be between 20 and 30%. That's a lot of money charged over and over and over again. And revolving debt, you know, it's not great debt to have. Or let's take the credit cards off the table. Let's say that you have a home equity line of credit. Those are normally adjustable rates, and those rates are going up as well. So those payments are going up. Or let's say you want to do some home improvements, or you have other needs for some money. You've got a decent amount of equity in your home because you've had it for a while. And just like everybody, it's crazy that today the market is it's down. We're hurting. Inflation is up, but home values are also up. So that allows, whether it's a traditional or a second reverse mortgage, it allows us to take advantage of some of that extra equity, some of that extra value in our homes, and put it to good use. So backing up all the way to the beginning, here's what this second reverse mortgage is going to do for you. First of all, it's going to leave your first mortgage alone. Second of all, it's going to give you extra cash. Now, this can go to wipe out a second mortgage or pay off a HELOC. It can go to paying credit cards down or off, and it can go to just stuffing cold hard cash in your piggy bank. Everybody has different needs. Everybody has a different situation. So in our first call, we'll go over, hey, what's going on? What's your situation? And what would you like? I'm not saying that it can happen, but what would you like in a perfect world? What would you like this reverse mortgage to do for you? Then we'll take a look at what's available in your state. And if that second reverse mortgage is available, then we'll go deeper into it. Just a couple things. Obviously, as you know, being a reverse mortgage, there's no monthly payment required on this. And again, this is why so many people are getting them now. We will qualify you based on income, and we will qualify you based on credit. So your credit has to be decent. It doesn't have to be terrific, but we will take a look at your payment history. And as far as income goes as well, we just want to make sure that you're bringing in enough income, whether you're still working or whether it's fixed income. We just want to make sure that it's enough to afford all of your senior living expenses. So we don't beat you up on it like a regular mortgage. We just make sure that it's there. And with the money you're getting from the second reverse mortgage, combined with your income, that you're in good shape and you'll be able to use this to sustain your retirement. And really that's the goal anyway. For anybody who gets a regular reverse mortgage or a second reverse mortgage or even a hybrid reverse mortgage, my goal for you is for you to be able to get this and to have it improve your retirement. And if you can live easier and more comfortable, then hey, I'm very, very happy about the job that we did together. So if this is you, if you want to explore it, if you'd like to see if, hey, number one, can I qualify for a second reverse? Number two, am I in a state that this is accepted in? Because again, there aren't a ton of states out there where this program is available right now. It's still a pretty new program. So, but I have one closing in California in 2 days. Wonderful, wonderful people. They're absolutely great. We just crack jokes on the phone when we talk now. But yeah, they had a situation where their regular mortgage payment was very low. They didn't want to touch it, but they had needs. They had a HELOC, and they had some credit cards and some other needs for the money. So this works perfectly, perfect for them. So you know who I'm talking about if you watch this. I thank you for allowing me to help you, and congratulations. Well, congratulations in 2 days. For the rest of you, again, if you want to, if you'd like to see if this program works for you, give me a holler. You can reach me toll free, 888-309-9705. You can email me at jason@keyhomelending.com. Or if you want to schedule a time to chat, or if you want to see what kind of other seniors have felt about reverse mortgages, and you can go to my website, www.reversequotes, again, that's reverse quotes, QUOTES.com. All right, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. And as always, I'll do my very, very best to help you. Take care of yourself.